World Zoonosis Day, 6 July. Zoonosis Day is held every year on July 6 to commemorate Pasteur's scientific achievement. It was on July 6, 1885 when Louis Pasteur successfully made the first vaccine against rabies virus, a zoonotic disease. The day is celebrated to recall and show respect for Louis Pasteur when he successfully administered the first vaccine against rabies virus. The day is celebrated in order to bring awareness in people about zoonotic infections and risks involved. About 150 types of zoonotic diseases are known to exist. Zoonosis is derived from Greek word zoon means animal and nosis means ailment, that is illness. Zoonosis is a name given to diseases which can be transmitted to human beings from an infected animal. Example of zoonosis may include rabies, anthrax, plague, malaria, swine flu, bird flu, and so on. Zoonosis diseases causes. Many different types of germs can cause a zoonotic disease like a virus, bacteria, fungus, parasites. Zoonotic diseases spread by mosquitoes and ticks are some of the most serious of these diseases. How zoonosis disease is transmitted? It can be transmitted by contact or bites of domestic and wild animals. Now let's see few of them. It can be a vector-borne disease, airborne or waterborne disease, proximity or direct contact to animals, or foodborne disease. Petting zoos are also common places for a zoonotic disease to be transmitted. Those who live and work on farms are in close contact with many types of livestock. Livestock is a common carrier of many zoonoses. Your family pet can carry ticks and fleas indoors that can then move on to you and your family. Many transmissions occur when people hike, bike, boat, or enjoy other activities in the great outdoors. How to prevent zoonotic diseases? Every time you come in contact with animals, wash hands frequently. Even if you are around them and you have not touched them, still wash your hands. In case soap is not available, then keep sanitizers with you to use them from time to time. To stay away from vectors, use mosquito nets and other insect repellents. Wash the animal equipment in antiseptic and use gloves when you handle them. Keep your pets healthy, vaccinate them or take them to vet and deworm them. The easiest and most effective and least expensive way to protect ourselves against emerging diseases is keep out animals healthy and always sanitize your hands, wash your hands when you are in contact with the pets, enjoy the wildlife from a distance and vaccinate your pets. Thank you.